Well, New Zealand fur seals, as the name suggests, they're found in New Zealand, but they are also found breeding and living in Australian waters, usually on the southern parts of Australia, basically everywhere from Victoria and along the southern coast of Australia. They're quite special, I suppose, because they are actually breeding in Australian waters, and they are probably one of the most common seals you'll see around Sydney. Sydney doesn't have too many seal colonies nearby. The closest one is Jervis Bay, about 4 or 5 hours south of Sydney, and that's actually an Australian fur seal colony. But the funny thing is, around sort of the months of July, August, September, you occasionally see seals around Sydney, and most of the time they're actually New Zealand fur seals. Most of the seals you see are in pretty good condition. It's not really a busy time of year for a New Zealand fur seal, so young males in particular are out wandering around just exploring, having a bit of a holiday. But occasionally some of the animals you see are in very poor condition. They're very skinny, haven't really been able to look after themselves very well. So occasionally we take those animals in, we try to treat any injuries, fatten them up, and then re-release them again. But occasionally some of them are just in such poor condition or so young that we think they're not really going to survive if we re-release them back into the wild. So we try to give them a home here and try to look after them as best we can.